Hey everyone, so here we are into week four's work already. So before I get in what you need to gather for today's reading here, I want to discuss a little bit because we have spring break. This is already Wednesday, April the 8th, and we only have today and Thursday, and then Friday starts spring break. So in your packets, okay, you have, of course, a full set of 4 week plans up to day 5. However, you have to remember when we first went out school, you guys, your first day home to work on schoolwork was a Wednesday. Okay, so there's actually a little bit extra work in your packets than what you're going to be required to do. So for week 4, I only want you to worry about the assignments for day 1 and day 2. So you're going to only see 2 videos uploaded for week 4, okay, onto the YouTube. It's not a mistake. That is the reasoning. Okay, there was extra work given based off of when we were getting packets and stuff together. So um, don't get confused with that. If some of you worked ahead, you don't have to worry about turning in work for 3, 4, and 5, or if you already have it, just keep it. You don't have to worry about ripping anything out. Want to make a mistake, but I just want to make you aware of that. You're only responsible for days 1 and 2. So here we go. So in your social studies packet, if you haven't already, you want to find the worksheets here for the readings for section 4, the Northeastern Plain. It's going to be start on one page and then continue at the top of the next page. So go ahead and pause the video, find your readings and a writing utensil and something to underline key facts. I'll pause the video here. Alright, so hopefully you have everything that you need. So I'm going to be reading about the Northeastern Plain today. The Northeastern Plain is located east of present-day Mongolia. Today, this land of low hills and plains is sometimes called either Inner Mongolia or the Manchurian Plain. Here, the natural vegetation is mostly prairie grass. Think of the open plains, the prairies, okay? Which in ancient times provided food for horses, sheep, and other animals raised by herders. The major rivers running through the northeastern plain are the Layou and the Songiri. The Layou is a shallow river, only navigable by small boats. So only small boats can get through because it's a very shallow, not deep river. The Songiri is deeper and can carry larger boats. So that'd be good for, importing goods back and forth, okay? In the winter, when the waters freeze, people use these rivers as roads. Hey, makes sense. The northeastern plain is an area of great contrasts in its climates. It has short, warm summers, but in winter, the northern and eastern parts of the plain are dry and cold. However, the southern half, especially the valley of the Layou, has milder weather and more water because of the river. Generally, though, the plain is too cold and dry to be suitable for growing crops. In the south, a narrow coastal plain links this area to the rest of China. In ancient times, several groups of invaders used this plain as a route to enter China. Alright, so it was a little bit shorter section, but there's a lot of facts in that, so you should not have any problem finding 5 facts as I was reading. So make sure you write that down. You can just continue it from last week's. This was section 4, so you can just label it week 4, day 1, section 4, put down your 5 facts. Alright, so that's it for this video, and we'll have one more again for week 4.